Good morning, friends.
Hi.
How are we today? I have my whole family again, and today we were talking what would be something really fun to make with our friends that are at home right now. And I said we've been learning about
We're gonna make slime.
Oh, well, we've been learning about clouds, and I said, maybe slime would be fun, but how can we make it feel like a cloud? So Miss Jenelle got on the internet, and I found a really cool recipe called Puffy Fluffy Slime. Okay, so we got out all of the ingredients that we have at our house. We need to find a bowl. What else do we need, Reg? A
Spoon.
Brielle, what do you have?
And save glue.
Some glue. What do you have, Reg?
Save cream.
Shaving cream. We have some saline solution. And Kendall, what else do we need? Our measuring cups, right? Okay, measuring cups.
And a mixer.
Yep, a spatula. And if you want to make your fluffy, puffy slime a color, then you can use just food dye. And my friends at home decided that they wanted to use the color, what?
Blue.
Blue, yes. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, I wrote down the recipe, and the first ingredient that we need to use is glue. So we need to have a half a cup of glue. So here's my measuring cup right here, and it has half a cup. So take this right here.
Take that off.
Yep. Okay. You want to put it right over the bowl, Brielle, and we'll pour it into the measuring cup.
Oh,
Ooh.
so beautiful.
What color is it, Ridge?
White.
White. The glue is white. And then I'm just going to dump it in the bowl like that. Okay. Everybody can see it. And I might use my spatula here just to kind of get all the glue to go into the bowl. Very good. Okay, the next step we get to do is we get to color it. And we decided that we wanted to use the color blue. So, Kendall, can you just put a few drops in? Maybe my friends at home, you can count to 3 with me. All right, as Kendall puts it in the bowl. So we're going to count to 3. Ready?
1.
Squeeze. 1,
2.
2, 3. All right, Kendall, can you stir it up and see if it turns it blue?
Yep.
And I'm going to lift it up so my friends can see. Ooh, it's looking like a pretty sky blue. I love it. Look at that. Oh, that looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Look, there's white up there.
Oh, there is a little bit, huh? It's okay. We can bring it down into the cloud. There we go. Okay, thank you, Kendall. All right. So the next step after you color your glue is we need to add in the shaving cream, okay? The shaving cream. So I'm going to give it a good shake. And my shaving cream, we need 1 and 1/2 cups. So 1.5 cups. Okay, Rich, you're going to help me push. We're going to go all the way to the top here. Woo! Look at that. Okay.
Wow, that's a lot.
It is. And we're going to put it right in the bowl.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa.
And this is what
And
makes
we're
it
gonna
look
mix it up.
puffy like a cloud.
Yeah. Like the glue.
How does glue feel though, Rich?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. How does glue feel when you touch your hands? Does it feel soft or does it feel sticky?
It feels sticky.
Yeah, glue feels sticky. Okay, now we need 1/2 cup of shaving cream. Ready, Rich?
Yeah.
Woo! Oh boy.
I'm
Okay,
gonna do
now it
it.
goes in the bowl, and then Ridge is going to stir it for us.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Yeah, it's nice to have teamwork.
up the slime.
Well, we're making slime. Is it mixing in with the glue?
Yes, but it's higher.
It is higher. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it really good. Oh, very nice.
Sticky to my head.
I got your head. Okay.
Wait, let me do it.
All right, one last stir, and then the last step that we need to do is we need to add in saline solution. In saline solution, we need 2.5 tablespoons. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna add in one more squirt of blue. Can you mix that up quickly, Rich, before Brielle does the saline solution?
Got it? Yep. Step quick.
Good job. Oh, when we mix, are we using our big arm muscles? Yes. Nice mixing. Very good. Okay, we're going to pass the bowl to Brielle. And Brielle is going to put in first 1 tablespoon, which is the biggest one, Brielle. It says 1 tablespoon, okay? Friends, can you help Brielle count to 2 with the tablespoons, okay? She needs to put in 2 of them. So let's get to 1 first. One. 2. All right, before we do the half of one, let's stir this up because this is what's going to really make it into slime. You want to do that, Brielle?
Sure.
Okay.
We'll do that.
Look
at that.
Woohoo!
I still coming hard to stir. It's sticky. Yeah, it's
Whoa, but
turning
it's kind of like magic, friends. This is what's making it really into the consistency that we want for the slime.
Yeah, but we just want to make it.
Okay, we have a half a teaspoon to go. So Brielle, go ahead and put a half more in.
I'm gonna grab the spoon. You want to do it 3 times? Let's do it 3 times.
Yep, this is 3. And 3. Good job. All right, she's going to give one last stir, friends. And then the fun part is we have to take it with our hands and knead it, okay? That means we have to work it with our hands to make it the right consistency that we want for our slime.
Or you need to knead it first.
Okay? I'm going to move this out of the way, friends, so we can have room on the table.
I don't think I can mix it anymore. It's like a ball. Do you see that, friends? Look at that.
Whoa.
It's became slime.
Sorry, Rich.
It looks like the sky and the cloud mixed together.
Yeah, I can't wait to see if it feels like a pretending to touch a puffy cloud.
Oh, it's turning to
See if I
slime.
can get the sides.
Whoa.
Okay, the next part is I'm going to take it out, and in your hands, you're going to knead it. Okay, and really work it. Ooh, it feels really cool. Maybe I can give all of you a little bit to work. There you go, Ridge. Work it with your hands. Work, work, work.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome, friends. So now my little guys at home, they're going to play with their slime. I hope this is something maybe you guys can do with your family. And after you make it, you can, let's see, what can we do with it? Can make it into a ball. We can pretend to make our own shape clouds.
I'm gonna make
You can make your fingerprints.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Let's see if I can make it. I made a circle.
Ooh, Kendall made a circle.
I made trying to make a rectangle.
Cool. But is it fun just to play with it in our hands, guys?
But
Yeah.
you would do like this?
You have to put your sleeves up, right? Should we put it in our hair, though, friends?
No.
No. We want to make
Or
sure
you
that we
will
keep
put
it in
it-
our hands.
Or you will put it in your nose?
Do we put it on our nose?
No.
No. Do we try to eat it?
No.
No. Slime is only fun for our hands, okay?
Yeah.
Make sure that we do it at a table or at the counter too, okay? Listen
Yeah.
to your families at home where they want you to play it.
Or the dinner table.
Miss Jenelle will post the recipe below the video so you guys can try to make this at home. Okay, friends? I hope you have an amazing day.
Bye.
Ridge, say bye.
Bye. I'm making